This is the TAC, the Tabletop Automation Center, shown in its basic form, to which are added application devices, in this case a gripper, dispenser, and syringe, mounted to a combination carriage. The carriage allows horizontal movement and vertical. The devices can move independently. The rotary head, a device unique to the TAC, enables dispensing around and under parts. A traversing table base moves back and forth. While a worm gear controls a rotary work table, whose leading edge can extend past the TAC's front. Product nests or pallets, customized to hold specific parts, can be attached to the two rotary magazines. The magazines can be rotated in either direction to any angle separately. The extended gantry allows devices on the carriage to access the magazines for processing, loading, or unloading. The carriage, work table, and rotary head can combine to enable dispensing along any sort of path, with the nozzle always pointed inwards or outwards. Cable carriers at the top of the TAC keep power, control, and device feed lines from tangling. Single-level magazines can be replaced with ones that are multi-level. The different levels of magazines can move independently. The standard gantry can be replaced with a more extended one. The frame can be replaced with a taller or longer unit. A wider gantry allows devices to access parts at the standard inline magazine position or at 90 degrees to it. This enables a second gantry to be added to the TAC to support more devices. With more devices accessing different locations on the magazines, parts can be processed faster. One carriage can load or unload while the other is processing parts on the work table. And at any point, the TAC can be restored to its basic form. So that gives a quick look at the functioning of a TAC. As for combining multiple tacks, well, that requires another video.